If you want X to personalize your experience with Grok, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on in just a moment. This is a quick setting that can help improve how Grok responds based on your activity and experience on X, and it only takes a few seconds to find. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com or Twitter and make sure you are logged into the account you want to change. On the left side navigation bar, click More. This opens the full menu with additional settings and account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once the settings page opens, look for Privacy and Safety and click it. This section contains the controls for your data, personalization, and account privacy. Next, find and click Grok and third-party collaborators. This is where X keeps the options related to how Grok can use your account activity and personalize your experience. When that menu opens, look for the setting that says Allow X to personalize your experience with Grok. Toggle it on. Once the switch is enabled, X will be allowed to personalize your experience with Grok based on your account and activity settings. And that's it. You've successfully given permission for X to personalize your experience with Grok. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tutorial.